Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to master the art of writing ChatGPT prompts. We'll take a simple example and improve it step by step using the anatomy of a prompt. Let's start with a basic question and transform it into a powerful prompt. We want to ask ChatGPT about planning a surprise birthday party for a friend. Let's start with a simple prompt. How to plan a surprise birthday party. Let's see what we'll get. This prompt is too broad and might not give us the best results, but let's see. See, this is a generic response. Let's add a specific task to our prompt. Plan a surprise birthday party for my friend, including games and food ideas. Now we are specifying what we want ChatGPT to do, making the response more focused. Okay, so next, let's add a persona to our prompt. Act as an expert birthday planner. Your task is to plan a surprise birthday party for my friend who loves hiking and pizza, including games and food ideas. Here, there are two types of personas. First persona that we assign ChatGPT, that is, act as an expert birthday planner, and the second persona is a user persona. We'll discuss about a specific person. In this case, we'll describe persona of our friend who loves hiking and pizza. By adding persona details, we are helping ChatGPT understand our friend's preferences and customize the response. Now let's add some context to our prompt. Let me copy this prompt. Yeah. With a budget of $500 and 10 guests, context helps ChatGPT understand the scope and limitations of the task, making the response more practical. See this. You can compare your first response with this response. You'll see definitely a hell of difference. Let's add some constraints to our prompt. As it is the previous prompt and adding a constraint, that is no outdoor activities. Constraints help ChatGPT generate more creative solutions within the given limitations. That's it. We have transformed a basic question into a powerful prompt using the anatomy of a prompt. To help you get started, I have prepared some prompt templates and cheat sheets for you. These templates and cheat sheets will help you understand the different types, formats, and personas you can use in your prompts. Comment structure of prompt along with your email address. I'll send it to you. I hope this video has helped you to become a better prompt engineer.